13 things that make him addicted to you. Do you want to know the things that make a man addicted to you? There are certain things that women do that drive men crazy, and we're not just talking about the way you look. Simple things like how you move or make him feel. We've compiled a list of the top 13 things that make men addicted to you, so you can use them to your advantage. Once you know what it is that men find irresistible about women, start incorporating these things into your own behavior. See how quickly he becomes addicted to you and can't get enough, so watch the whole video and take notes. Let's start. What does it mean to make him obsessed with you? Before we begin, we want to clarify that you make him addicted to you. This is not a video on how to manipulate or control a man. The things that naturally attract men and keep them coming back will be discussed instead. Instead of forcing him to become addicted, you are doing what comes naturally, making it hard for him to resist. These things simply work better when you're being genuine, so don't try to be someone you're not in order to attract a man. With that said, let's take a look at the things that make men addicted to women. Number 13. Smile when you see him. Did you know that a simple smile is one of the things that makes men love you? It's true. When you see him, give him a warm smile, and he will instantly feel drawn to you. You will instantly put him in a favorable mood, and he will begin to associate positive feelings with you. You show your happiness to see him by smiling, which sets the tone for your conversation. A smile also conveys confidence, which is a very attractive trait. Make sure to smile the next time you see him. It will captivate him. Number 12. Flirty eye contact. Most of us know that eye contact is a powerful way to attract men. But did you know that you can take it a step further and flirt with him using your eyes? When you make eye contact with him and give him a flirty look, it will send his heart racing. He will feel like he has won the jackpot and want to pursue you even more. Just make it brief and don't overdo it, or he may think you're coming on too strong. Remember, everything looks much better when done naturally, so don't try too hard and make it seem forced. Number 11. Make him feel needed without being needy. This is a tricky one because you don't want to come across as needy, but you do want him to feel needed. The key is to make him feel needed in a positive way. You can do this if you are independent and strong. Show him that you don't need him to take care of you all the time and that you can handle things on your own. Only ask for help when you really need it. This will make him feel needed in a more masculine way. He will feel like he is your protector and provider, which is a very attractive trait. When you make a man feel needed in this way, it will make him feel positive about himself. He will feel appreciated and wanted, which is something that all men crave. Number 10. Be a competent listener. This is a simple one, but it's often overlooked. Men love it when a woman takes the time to listen to them. It makes them feel important and special. So the next time he talks to you, make sure that you are really listening. Don't think about what you're going to say next or how you're going to respond. Just focus on what he is saying and give him your undivided attention. He will appreciate it and want to spend more time with you. Number 9. Make him feel special. When you make a man feel special, you're showing him that he's important to you. You're letting him know that he matters and that you appreciate him. By making him feel special, you're giving him a reason to keep coming back for more. You're building a connection with him and letting him know that he's someone worth investing in. When a man feels special, he will start to become addicted to you. He'll want to be around you all the time, and he'll love getting your attention. So, every chance you get, make sure to make him feel special. Number 8. Make him trust you. Trust is a key ingredient in any relationship. If he doesn't trust you, his commitment will be difficult. You have to make him feel like he can trust you with his heart and soul. To do this, make him feel comfortable around you. Be understanding and never judge him. Let him know that you are there for him no matter what happens. When he feels like he can trust you, he will be more likely to commit to you. Number 7. Encourage him. No matter what a man does, he always wants to feel like he's doing a decent job. Encouragement is a wonderful gift for your man. Feel proud of him and thank him for everything he does for you. Men love it when their woman makes them feel like they're the best thing that's ever happened to her. For example, if you see him at work and he's stressed out, take the time to talk to him and offer him some words of encouragement. Let him know that you appreciate everything he does. This will keep you in his thoughts all day long. Number 6. Do not make him feel pressured. If you find yourself constantly pressuring him to do something, then you're doing more harm than good. When a man feels pressured, he will start to pull away from you. He will feel suffocated and overwhelmed, which is not a favorable feeling. This will not only make him not want to be around you, but it will also make him resent you. So give him space and don't pressure him. He will appreciate it. Let him take things at his own pace. Number 5. Be there for him when he needs you. Most men will not ask for help unless they really need it. So if you see that your man is going through a tough time, be there for him. Offer your assistance and let him know that you are there for him no matter what. When he knows that he can count on you, he will start to become addicted to you. Even simple things like a hug or a pat on the back can make him feel better. Just be there for him and let him know that you care. Number 4. Give him some space. Like or love someone makes you want to be around them all the time. However, this is not always a beneficial thing. Even when a man is addicted to you, it's important to give him some space. If you smother him, he'll eventually pull away. Give him time to appreciate how great being with you is. Even married couples need some space, so don't feel guilty about giving him some time to himself. It will only make him appreciate you more. Number 3. Accept his flaws. This is a very powerful one. When you accept his flaws, you're telling him that you love him for who he is. You're not trying to change him, nor are you expecting him to be perfect. This is a huge turn-on for most men. When a woman accepts her man's flaws, she is saying that she loves him for all of his imperfections. He will start to feel more connected to you, and he will be more likely to commit to you. Number 2, make him a part of your life, not your whole life. It can be really easy to get wrapped up in a relationship with someone and make them the center of your world. While it's important to love and care for your partner, you don't want to lose yourself in the process. Your interests, hobbies, and friends will keep you grounded and make your man feel like he's part of your life, not the only thing. This is especially important when he has not yet become your man. As you get to know someone, keep your life going. This will make him want to be part of it even more, and he will be hooked. Number 1, spice things up. From being a little mysterious to trying something new together, adding some spice to your relationship is a wonderful way to keep things interesting. Men love it when women are unpredictable and always keep them guessing. So mix things up a bit and see how he reacts. This will not only keep him interested, but it will also make him feel like he's constantly winning your heart over and that you are always worth chasing. As you can see, there are many ways to get him addicted. It all starts with understanding what makes men tick and how to appeal to their needs. But before you leave, did you know that there is a hidden emotional need that leaves most men feeling constantly unsatisfied? It plays a deep role in why some men pull away and others stay committed for life, and yet most men don't even know what this emotional need is. Once you discover his hidden desire, he will go overboard to prove his love to you. To learn more, check out our other videos that you see on the screen right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.